Morning all. So I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on some pumpkin rice. No rice and peas today. We're gonna do something lighter. I like pumpkin rice and it tastes good. So these are the ingredients. You'll need rice, probably, it depends on how much you're cooking. This is about 3.5 cups. I have here a half a pound of pumpkin cut up in cubes, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, some sprigs of thyme, a half an onion diced up, 1 sprig of scallion chopped up, 1 beeten, 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to use about 4 tablespoons of this butter, Grace coconut milk, couple allspice, some black pepper, and these 2 seasonings, the cock flavored soup mix and a chicken bouillon pack. Stay tuned for the rest of the tutorial. Okay, see, now that everything has been added, and I'm just going to let it simmer for about 2 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my water and let that boil for about 10 minutes and get the pumpkins tender and all the seasonings boiled in together before I add the rice. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wash my rice and prepare it. Okay, so I've added in my water. It's about half pot because I'm not cooking a whole ton load of rice today. And I'm just going to let this boil up for 10 minutes and then I'm going to add in my washed rice. Alright, so my washed rice has been added. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let this cook on a medium heat until mostly all of the water has dried out. And then I'm going to turn down the fire on low and cover the pot with a piece of foil paper, or sometimes I use plastic, just to steam the rice till it finished cooking. So that's it. It's a basic recipe. It's not hard, and it's a deviation from the Sunday rice and peas that we normally eat. And pumpkin rice is very good, very rich, and it has a nice flavor. I hope you try this. Have a good Sunday.